Hi, welcome to Life in 360. While reviewing cloth diaper, I got a lot of questions from moms regarding the inserts, especially charcoal inserts. Here in this video, I'm going to show you the inserts which I'm using. So check the description for its product name and also buying option. There are a lot of size options available in the market. You have to choose the one which suits you well. Here I am having the two sizes, one is smaller one and another one is the bigger one. So here I am going to show you the difference between these two ones. So this one is very light comparing to the large one, and you can use it along with the trainers. So during the daytime it is really useful for the short nap for toddlers and the little ones. This can hold up to 2 times and it is very comfortable and lightweight. So it is a lightweight one and it won't feel like a bulky one. So you can use this along with the underwear or any other pants as well. And the larger one, this you can use it along with super bottom and basic diapers as well. The only thing is it looks little bit bulky than the other one. And this one is for the moms who wants to know about the benefits of charcoal inserts. The charcoal inserts features 3 layers of microfibers sandwiched between 2 layers of charcoal and bamboo, providing an outstanding absorbency that tops completing the products. The main thing is they can absorb super fast comparing to the cloth one. One are easy to wash and less stain free. Bamboo inserts are porous, hence they wicking moisture from baby's bun. Because in cloth diaper it absorbs well, and the only thing is if we give a pressure in the area, it just brings the wetness outside and the skin really feels wet, and this makes irritation and allergies as well. Both cloth and charcoal inserts need a special care and you have to wash it separately. Avoid harsh chemicals. Coming to the negative side, within a particular time, if it is not washed, then this one gives an odor which is little bit irritating. Okay, let's come to the cloth diapers. This one is Super Bottoms Dri-Fill Magic Dry Pads. This can be used with Super Bottoms and basic diapers as well. These are 100% cotton inserts. The top layer is made with a light microfiber which absorbs water very quickly. The only thing I felt a little bit strange about this is its color. Because of its color you have to take extra care because the stains won't go very easily. For long uninterrupted night sleep, I can prefer this Magic Feel Dry Pad with booster pad. The charcoal inserts doesn't comes with a snap or a button, so you have to place it like this. I need to show you one important thing. This one is the Easy Clean top sheet from Super Bottoms. This can be used as a top layer in the diapers or even in the padded underwears for the toddlers for potty training. These are the microfiber top sheets which absorbs liquid very well and it is easy to clean also. Hopefully I covered a lot of things in this video. Still, if there is any clarification, just text me in the comment section. Check the description for the product details and the links as well. Share your feedback and also give your valuable suggestions. Hope this video is useful and thanks for watching. To subscribe my channel for more review videos. Thank you.